Today, we're delving into the world of leafy greens, and there's no better star than the incredible spinach. Spinach may seem like a simple, leafy vegetable, but it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with goodness for your body. 1 cup of raw spinach contains a mere 7 calories, but don't let its low-calorie count fool you. It's a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and magnesium, crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Now let's explore the health benefits. Spinach is like a superhero for your immune system, thanks to its high vitamin C content. It also supports bone health, promotes healthy skin, and aids in digestion thanks to its fiber content. But hold on, before you rush to load up your plate, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. If you're on blood-thinning medication, be cautious with spinach, as it's rich in vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting. Always consult with your healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your diet. Now, let's talk recipes. From salads to smoothies, the possibilities with spinach are endless. Incorporating it into your diet is not only easy but also tasty. So, there you have it, a nutrient-packed green that deserves a prime spot on your plate. Remember, balance is key, and spinach can be a fantastic addition to your journey towards a healthier you. Thanks for joining me today. Stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.